everyone, my name is Robert Clayson and welcome back to the PAS classroom. This is Marching Percussion Band Aids Part 2, and in this part I'm going to expand a little bit on the exercise I taught you in the previous part. We're going to add accents to work on our accent tap difference. Alright, so the first four measures are a basic 8 on a hand exercise. The way we're going to expand on this is we're going to add accents to all of the downbeats. Alright, so it's going to sound like this. Left hand, and then again. Okay, so then we've got our measure of 2 beats of 16th notes, 3 and 4 and. We're going to just accent the full beats of 16th notes. Right, again. Okay, then we have 2 beats of 16th notes, and then 8th note 2 16ths. Okay, again. Right, and then the last measure, the full bar of 16ths, we're going to accent every single one of them, as well as the quarter note release at the end. 1, 2, ready, and again. In the next episode, we're going to talk about what each person should play based on how many players you have in your marching percussion battery. That's all for this one. Stay tuned for the next PAS classroom.